In this video, we'll show you how to use OSU's online degree audit system known as DegreeWorks. We'll focus on how to check your progress toward degree completion and how to understand some of the additional tools built into the audit. When you access DegreeWorks, you'll see your student ID, name, and primary degree here at the top of the page. If you are pursuing a second degree, click this drop-down to view your other degree audit. The default tab is the Worksheet. This tab contains your actual degree audit along with the What If, Look Ahead, and Class History tools. We'll take a look at these tools and the GPA Estimator tab in another video. In this top portion of your audit, you'll see additional details from your student record, including your overall GPA and any concentrations or minors that you are pursuing. You can even send an email to your primary advisor by clicking this link. Under that is a legend explaining the various symbols you'll see in your audit. The most important are the following. A green checkmark means that you have completed the requirement. A blue tilde means that you will complete the requirement using in-progress classes. A red box indicates that you have not yet completed the requirement. If you see a requirement in red that you believe you have satisfied, be sure to contact your advisor. As you scroll down, you'll see the beginning of your specific degree requirements divided into blocks. Each of those blocks are listed here at the top, along with overall information like total credit hours or total upper division credit hours. Clicking any of the links in the Still Needed section will jump you down to that section of the audit. Each block will contain specific degree requirements and sometimes a total credit count for the block. As you can see here, Pistol Pete has completed English composition but still needs 2 math classes to finish off his general education requirements. Unmet requirements will often have a tool called Course Link enabled, indicated by a blue link in the Still Needed section. Hovering over this link will show you the course title and number of credits, and clicking on it will bring up the course description, any prerequisites that are required, and the class offerings for the upcoming term. At the bottom of the audit are additional sections to display all of your coursework, not just the ones being used to meet specific degree requirements. They will only show up if you have courses that fit within these defined sections. First is Fall Through. These are courses that don't have a place to go within the specific sections above, but they still count toward your total hours and overall GPA. Second is Insufficient. Any courses with W or F grades will show up here, along with repeated, reprieved, or renewed courses. Next is Not Counted. Performance activity, developmental, and/or mutually exclusive courses will appear in this section, as they cannot be used to meet degree requirements per state regions and OSU policy. These courses don't factor into your total hours or GPAs on DegreeWorks. Next is In Progress. Any future enrollments are collected here. Finally, any substitutions or waivers your college has granted you are summarized in the Exceptions section at the very bottom. Remember that you are encouraged to use this degree audit as a guide when planning your progress toward completion of degree requirements. Please contact your academic advisor for assistance if you have any questions.